Here's an interesting study that was just released about the effects of fluoride. And this is a Harvard study that finds fluoride, it lowers your IQ. This was published in a federal government journal. Harvard study finds fluoride lowers IQ. Harvard University researchers' review of fluoride brain studies conclude, quote, our results support the possibility of adverse effects of fluoride exposure on children's neurodevelopment. And it goes on to say significantly lower IQ than those who lived in low fluoride areas. Further, the EPA says that fluoride is a chemical with substantial evidence of development neurotoxicity. You know, we've been telling you this stuff for years, folks, but how much you want to make a bet that it's not going to prevent most cities from removing the fluoride from our water supply. In fact, they might even make it a state mandate, that the state will step in and make sure that all the communities fluoridate our water supply.